Alright guys, I'm still over here at Automart, Sewell Motor Coach here in Harrodsburg, Kentucky. And I'm ready to head back to the airport, so I only have about 20 minutes to try to... Doug almost ran me over. So I only have about 20 minutes before I'm supposed to head to the airport. So I'm going to try to take you through this 2001 Liberty Elegant Lady really quickly because it's nice enough to share with you guys. This 2001 Elegant Lady is on a Prevost XL2 chassis. There's no slide outs on this one. And if you watched my last video about a Liberty coach, you know how much I like it when they don't have a slide out on it. I think my favorite thing about the Liberty Elegant Ladies is that they really do lean into that term elegant quite a bit. It feels very regal and opulent in here, down to the hand-painted ceiling panels and the stone tile on the floor. While a lot of bus conversions will have an air ride seat like this, or even a transmission brake, not all of them are going to have a suede cloth as wainscoting, or even wood trim as a valance panel. And maybe I'm just simple, but I do even like how this couch, even though it's fabric and very patterned, works out pretty well in here. The passenger will definitely like the oversized seat and a half. And this is a very useful end table, desk, and just an all-around seating area, because this will actually turn into a computer desk too. The recliner and ottoman are not fixed in position. The dinette table is fixed in position, but it does extend out, and there is a leaf in the closet back there to seat a little bit more people. Now the shades are all power shades now, and they have been upgraded from the original ones. But I think what I like best about the bus conversions without slide outs is that it forces the designer to make very intelligent and useful design choices to maximize the space. And I think they actually do a better job than when they have slide outs. And of course, without slide outs, that means the entire bus is completely useful driving down the road. You don't have to worry about slide out rooms and you definitely don't have to worry about slide out rooms breaking or having maintenance issue with them. Another feature I really like about Liberty coaches is the multi-level countertops they put in. It creates very useful space to help hold everything in. They put curbing on all the Corian countertops, and even steps up right to here. It's difficult to even see without that hole right there that there's a 2-burner electric stovetop there. It does have a tiled backsplash, and with this grating right there, that means this does have over-the-road bus air driven straight by the engine. And it's also going to come out of the windows at that grating right here from front to back, which is a really nice feature to have driving down the road. You don't have to run the generator or worry about the roof AC or even the cruise air. That bus air is a very quiet and even temperature, so helps out front to back. While I might like opulence a little bit, I don't know, that Superman chandelier might be a little bit over the top. But the rest of the cabinetry you'll find is just the high-end gloss laminate. It's in really good condition, the rest of it. And man, that ceiling looks good too. Again, it's a suede fabric. It is very soft and in good shape. But hidden behind these doors will be the standard Sharp carousel convection oven microwave. They did manage to hide a Space Maker coffee maker, a built-in dedicated ice maker, more importantly, a trash compactor can be found right next to the residential refrigerator. This is an Amana side-by-side. It does have water and ice in the door, which I really think every RV should have if it has a residential refrigerator. That saves a lot of space too. The Elegance is on display right here in the mechanical control panel where everything's operating. The inverters have been upgraded. It has 4 cruise airs on it. They all work. It still has Webasto hydronic heating and has air-powered pocket doors. As we push our way past that pocket door into the bathroom area, it's laid out really well with an oversized shower, so no slide outs, but it's a very large shower that you could definitely probably fit 2 people in pretty easily. And this is all the stone tile throughout. It even has that stone tile as a shower pan. Now, maybe not everybody is as excited about it as me. I like the fabric walls and the fake wainscoting right here on the Elegant Ladies, because again, this is a luxury bus and it should look like a luxury mansion. But hidden behind this door will be the washer and dryer from Bosch. Don't worry, there's a door button there if you can't ever figure out how to open up these dryer doors. And before we go past that door, I can look over here. 3 mirrored closet doors. They are all cedar lined. There's that table extension I was telling you about. So 3 very large closets. More than you'll get in a lot of buses or RVs that have 2, 3, or 4 slide outs. Now before we go through that door, let's go past it. It has a built-in decor niche shelving on it. Really elegant. Again, I keep using the word elegant. After all, it is an elegant lady. But this is just found space that they didn't need to put anything right here. But somehow in coaches with slide outs, you don't even have room for something like that. And that does point to that creative design that not having slide outs does force the designers to do. Now I know I keep abusing the words elegant and opulent, but if you look at this vanity right here, it still has Corian on the countertop. It is mismatched, so it does stand out as contrasting color, but it has a glass vessel sink. It's 2001, before this was really popular, but I don't think I've ever seen a more opulent or elegant bathroom faucet handles. Now it does still have mirrored medicine cabinet doors above. Now we can push our way past this door. Again, this is a fabric door with with laminate wainscoting down below. That'll give us to the head, the water closet, or the bathroom, whatever you'd like to call it. This is a ceramic porcelain Headhunter Royal Flush. It is still my favorite RV toilet made. It's a very satisfying flush and residential feel. You can see the vanity and vessel sink from the bathroom carry over into this bathroom, complete with those faucet handles. Even more mirrored medicine cabinets above, and even the emergency intercom. That'll go to the front door, the driver, and even the bedroom. In case you need some help, I guess. I keep telling you never to call me here. Now next to the intercom is a button. That'll go to the pocket door, which is right there. So you can actually get to the bedroom from the bathroom. So this is what's known as a Jack and Jill bathroom. So of course you can get to the bedroom through the hallway here, and you can walk around to the bathroom there also. That does give a lot of privacy options if you had guests with you. They don't have to see the master bedroom. So here's that other intercom. It also has that built-in camera, so you can see what's going on at the front door. Again, as we make our way past to the bedroom, go from tile floor to carpet, which is really nice in the bedroom. It's easier on the bare feet. It's a lot of storage cubbies down the entire side, both the driver's side and the passenger side, or I'm sorry, the port and starboard side. This is a north-south facing bed. It's starting to become a little bit more popular again, not so you don't have to trip around the engine cover. But it also has a air-driven bed lift, so I push that button there. We can see underneath. And yes, that elegance is on display yet again because it has a polished mirror on the bottom of the bed so you can see the safe down below. Right above the bed there is a ceiling fan and the hand-painted ceiling insert above it. I do like this soffitted ceiling. It does have backlit on it too for a nice mood light at night. Those 3 closets in the hallway weren't enough storage for you. You have 2 on either side. They are cedar lined. Behind this cabinet we'll find the home theater for the bedroom. Because across from the bed, the bedroom TV, again you can see that multi-tier countertop that Liberty Coach does quite well. Contrasting color, and it even has a flip-up vanity right there to sit on the edge of the bed if you needed to. They've even found room for more drawers. Instead of being 12 individual small useless drawers, they've just made it look like that, and they're very useful, decent sized drawers here, including like a jewelry drawer you can access from above. But that was it, guys. I just wanted to show you this 2001 Elegant Lady. It is on a Prevost XL2 chassis. I'm pretty impressed by the condition of it, how well it's laid out, how functional it is. I'm not sure you're gonna find this kind of quality and well thought design on modern coaches anymore, because everybody's relying so heavily on slide outs to wow people, and I don't think you need it at all. But that was really fun to share with you guys, comparing it to the 2002 Liberty Coach I drove across country. I think I like this one a little bit better. In fact, I know I like this one better. Okay, I know you guys want to see at least one thing. Everybody wants to see the engine. There we go. That is the Detroit Diesel Series 60. A massive powerhouse for this, a beautiful coach. I don't see any real signs of leaks or damage on it. Looks like it's been maintained. And there's that great big huge compressor for the bus air and the dash air. And I wish I could have taken you through the outside a little bit faster, but I'm already late for the airport and Doug's gonna be yelling at me. Speaking of Doug yelling at me, I probably should put the shades back down. I do not know the pricing of it. Do check with Doug at sewellmotorcoach.com. The only thing I will tell you is it has 195,000 miles because I just inspected it. It checked out really, really well. It's a beautiful coach. But thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'm gonna try to head back home, get back to my shop and work on some things that I've really got backlogged now. Thanks a lot for watching. And there's that creative, there's that creative design that not having slide outs does. And that. Now I know I keep abusing the word opulence and now I know I keep abusing the words elegant and opulent, where they're set up where they're set up so they can be opened and angled so you can get an all-around almost 180 view from that vanity. They've even found room for more drawers instead of being 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Instead of being, if you were inclined to look at yourself, don't look. I'm pretty sure I've told you never to call me here. Yes, I know, but okay, I'm sorry. But okay, now I really have to go, guys. Bye.